Is canned air a thing of the past? This little gadget claims to replace those dusty cans with a hurricane in your hand. It's the VOGMA V9's compressed air duster, and it's packing some serious power. First off, the motor. This isn't your average fan. It's a 200,000 RPM brushless motor. That translates to a wind speed of over 45 meters per second. I was honestly surprised by how much force this thing generates. Dust doesn't stand a chance. It's got 8 adjustable speed settings, which is great for dialing in the right amount of power for different tasks. Delicate electronics. Low speed. Grime stuck in your keyboard. Crank it up. Battery life is impressive. VOGMA claims 420 minutes on low speed thanks to the 10,000 mAh battery, and from my usage, that seems pretty accurate. Plus, it charges in just 2.5 hours with a Type-C cable. Overheat protection is a nice touch, giving peace of mind during extended use. The included nozzles and brush are practical and easy to swap. I use the brush to loosen stubborn dust and the narrow nozzle to blast it away. It's not just for electronics either. I used it to clear dust from my car's dashboard and even to quickly dry some small parts after washing them. The HD display is a welcome addition. It shows the battery level and speed setting, so you're never left guessing. The stepless knob control is intuitive and allows for precise adjustments. At just 0.67 pounds, it's lightweight and portable. Easy to take anywhere, from cleaning around the house to outdoor adventures. Overall, the VOGMA V9s is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool. It's a worthy replacement for canned air and a handy gadget to have around. If you're tired of buying disposable cans, this is a solid investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.